Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on grouping symbols. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about grouping symbols. Enjoy. And now we move to the slide with another three verses. And now let's have a look at the lesson by looking at some examples. So we're going to remove the grouping symbols and simplify where appropriate. So here we have 3 outside of m plus 4. Now that 3 is multiplied by each term inside. 3 times m is 3m, 3 4s are 12. They are unlike terms, so they stay like that. We cannot add them together. Number 2, 6 outside of y minus 7. 6 times y is 6y. 6 7s are 42, and there's the minus sign. Unlike terms, that stays like that. You cannot combine those. Minus 4 outside of k minus 3 is minus 4k plus 12. Remember, minus times minus is a plus, so that's the answer. 3 outside of h plus 4 plus 5 outside of h plus 2. 3 times h is 3h, 3 4s are 12, 5 times h is 5h, and 5 2s are 10. So here we have 4 terms. 3h and 5h are like terms, so that gives you 8h when you add them. 12 plus 10 is 22, so that's the answer. Number 5, 9 times w is 9w. 9 times minus 4 is minus 36. Minus 5 times w is minus 5w, and minus 5 times minus 3 is plus 15. 9w minus 5w gives you 4w, and minus 36 plus 15 is minus 21. So that's the answer. Number 6, 5h times 2h is 10h squared. 5h times minus 4 is minus 20h. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9, and minus 3 times minus 6h is plus 18h. That gives us 10h squared. Now here we have like terms there and there, so that gives us minus 2h, and here we have minus 9. So we've seen 6 examples there of removing grouping symbols, and where it's appropriate, we add the like terms. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by providing a rap song about grouping symbols.